In this video, you'll learn how to add a tab on a Confluence page in just a few minutes so you can organize information beautifully and make your content easier to navigate. First, open your browser and sign in to your Confluence account at Atlassian.com. Once you're in, navigate to the page where you want to add tabs or create a new page using the Create button. Next, click on Edit to enter editing mode. Place your cursor where you want to add the tabs, then type T to open the macro menu. This is where you'll find all the available content elements. Now, search for Tabs in the macro menu. Confluence offers a built-in tabs macro that lets you create multiple tabs within a single page, perfect for grouping related information into clean, organized sections. After that, click on the Tabs macro to insert it. Each tab will appear with a default name, which you can rename by clicking on it. Add as many tabs as you need by clicking the plus icon. Once your tabs are added, fill each one with content. You can add text, images, links, tables, or even embed other macros inside each tab. When you're done, click Publish to save and update. And that's it. Your Confluence page now has tabs, making your content more organized and easy to read.